Unmuted.
Now, guys, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? All right. So, welcome and good morning to the trading session that has just started. So, guys, the pairs are indicating some nice volatility. That's exactly what we would like to have in the pairs. We haven't closed yet our positions since yesterday. I will update you shortly about the current Forex positions that I have. So good morning, guys. We haven't, as I said, I haven't closed any positions yet. So let's see, first of all, the news that we are expecting today from forexlive.com. Today is expected to be a quiet day. We have ECB monetary policy meeting accounts starting at 12:30. And consumer confidence later at 3 o'clock p.m. UTC time, expected to decline at -3 versus -2.7. So we don't have major news. It's Thanksgiving Day today in the US, so we don't have the major announcements, but as we can see, we do have volatility in Forex. At least we do have the volatility in the Forex trading desk. Now on Euro Yen, we have seen a sudden decline in the morning. The pair has risen up in the morning, but then from some point onwards and for the past 2 hours is declining. The pair has tested the MA50 and is trying to hold above it. We will see what will happen with that. So let's go straight to the current Forex positions, guys, and I will inform you straightforward about them. Now, the first trade that I have initiated, it's since yesterday, actually. I still have a short position on Aussie dollar at 0.72597, stop loss 0.73167, and TP 0.72247. This is the first position that I have in front of my screen. So let's check first of all and see how Aussie dollar is doing. We have short positions. We see that the moving averages are in a nice bearish formation. Everything is in line. I can say that I receive 100% confirmation signals for short positions. Despite that sudden advance on prices, it will be very interesting to see how the market will behave if it manages to approach this resistance area. Moving on Euro Yen, I have initiated today a short position. So I'm short trade number 2. I'm short on Euro Yen. Let me also have a look on dollar CAD in case I have a setup. No, I don't have a setup. So second trade for the day is a short position on Euro Yen. Entry level was 128.694. Stop loss 129.247 and TP 128.327. So this is the second trade that I have. The third position that I have initiated, first of all, we can see that, as I said before, we have a bullish setup on the MAs, but this decline the last 2 hours has caused us to reverse positions to short on Euro Yen. Now the pair has managed to rebound again above the MA50. It will be very crucial to see how it will react towards this resistance area. So we will be patient and keep an eye on it. The third trade that I have for the moment, guys, is a short position on euro dollar. So short euro dollar at 1.13972. stop loss 1.14542, and TP 1.13622. So that's the third trade that I have for the moment. Next one, I have shorted today also pound Aussie. So I have a short position on pound Aussie at 1.76623, stop loss 1.77193, and TP 1.76273. So let's see first of all euro dollar. Euro dollar is rising nicely. It has kept the moving average of 200 periods. We have a very nice bullish setup on the MAs. MACD indicates a bullish momentum. However, we have entered reverse short positions. In order for me to initiate long positions, I need to see a close at least above yesterday's highs, guys, or close to yesterday's highs. If the market doesn't approach yesterday's highs, I'm not reversing again to long positions. Now, regarding pound Aussie, if I remember correctly, exactly, I have shorted it close to the MA of 200 periods. So there is where I have initiated my short position. Close to current day's highs, the pair has declined nicely. It gave up the MA of 200 periods. Let's see how it will behave from now onwards. Moving on, I have also initiated today a long position on pound yen at 144.359. Stop loss is at 143.789 and TP 144.709. Now, let's have a look on the pound yen chart. Pound yen, it has dropped nicely. We have bearish setups, but this close is very close to the daily lows, and I'm speculating that maybe the market might rebound. In order for me to reverse to short positions, I need to see a significant close below today's current lows. For the moment, and as soon as these lows still hold, I'm keeping long positions. Pound dollar, so trade number 6, I have entered long positions on pound dollar at 1.27786, stop loss 1.27216, and TP 1.28136. Let's have a look on the pound dollar chart, guys. Pound dollar, where is it? There it is. So the pound dollar has refused to make new daily lows. As soon as I saw this close outside the Bollinger Band, I entered long positions, and it will be very interesting to see how pound dollar will behave. In order for me to go short the pound dollar, I need to see a significant close below today's lows. That's why I have my sell stop order there. Next one. Since yesterday, I have reversed to long positions, so I'm long dollar CHF at 0.99505 with a stop loss at 0.98935 and a TP at 0.99855. So since yesterday, nothing has changed. We are still long on dollar CHF at these levels. Let's have a look on dollar CHF. Yesterday, guys, dollar CHF was in a very narrow trading range, as you can see, and it seems that it's continuing the same story today. If I have a significant close below today's lows, I have my sell stop order there to reverse to short positions. So for the moment, and while trading within this daily range, I'm keeping my long positions on dollar CHF. And last but not least, I have an 8th position. I'm short dollar yen at 112.973, stop loss 113.505, and TP 112.585. So that's the last position that I have for the moment. Let me have a look on dollar yen. We have reversed to short positions. We see that the pair has given up the moving average of 200 periods. and currently is trading below it. Let's see if it will hold below it, and we see today a significant decline on dollar yen. This is our take profit for our short positions. In order for us to reverse to long positions, we need to see an upside correction above close to today's highs to reverse to long positions. For the moment, we keep our short positions. So I'm monitoring also dollar CAD. So for dollar CAD, in order to examine the possibility of entering any long or short positions, let me inform you about it. So most probably I will enter short positions if I see a close above the MA50 and above the Bollinger Band. So I'm closely monitoring dollar CAD, and I'm waiting to get the right setup to enter the markets. So let me revise of what I have written in the chat room for those of you who would like to follow us. Trade number 1, short Aussie dollar at 0.72597, stop loss 0.73167, take profit 0.72247. Trade number 2, short euro yen at 128.694 with a stop loss of 129.247 and a TP of 128.327. Third trade, short euro dollar at 1.13972, stop loss 1.14542 and TP 1.13622. Fourth trade, short pound Aussie at 1.76623, stop loss 1.77193 and TP 1.76273. Fifth trade, I'm long pound yen at 144.359 with a stop loss at 143.789 and a TP at 144.709. Sixth trade, I'm long pound dollar at 1.27786, stop loss 1.27216 and take profit 1.28136. Seventh trade, I'm long dollar CHF at 0.99505, stop loss 0.98935 and TP 0.99855. And last trade I have for the moment, I'm short dollar yen at 112.973, stop loss 113.505 and TP 112.585. So these are the current positions. Let us have a quick look at how the pairs are performing. As I said, I'm waiting for confirmations for entering dollar CAD positions. I haven't got the confirmation yet. On dollar yen, we are short. Currently, it's doing okay. Dollar CHF, we are long, but nothing has cleared out yet. The Kiwi, we still need confirmation on that. Pound dollar, we have entered long positions. Currently, is developing well. Euro yen, we are short, slightly a bit above our entry level. Aussie dollar, we are short. We are making some money here. Pound yen, we are long. The pair is trying to recover its previous decline. And pound Aussie, we are short. And the pair, I think it will test again the MA of 200 periods. So these are the current updates regarding our Forex trading positions here at Trademy.com. We are patiently waiting for the trades to develop. And if we have any updates, we will let you know. The EU markets have opened, so I think it's time to go straight to Elif in order to update us with the European indices. So good morning, Elif. How are you?
Good morning, Kyriakos. Thanks a lot. It's a wonderful morning. We had a great start, guys. We had a great start. As you remember, we had several trades from yesterday on oil and Brent oil. And if you follow us on Twitter, guys, you will see that we managed to close them with a good profit of $8,000. Let's have a look. You see them all here, guys. $8,523. We closed all our positions on oil and Brent oil. Nice one, nice one. And now it's time for today. We didn't initiate any trades yet. I'm looking right now to DAX and I'm going to sell DAX, guys. I'm selling right now DAX. Here we go. I just sold DAX. Look at this. It's a nice breakthrough downwards. And also on Italy 40 for me, it's a nice drop day. So I will sell also. Okay, so let me see. I just sold DAX and now on DAX I have to check where I will put my take profit, guys. I will put my take profit on DAX at, let me see, on DAX where we will put our take profit. Very narrow. Here we go. We will put it at, woo, making already $200 at 11,115. This is my take profit on this trade. We are making already $400 with $400 on DAX. It's a nice one. Let's see. And also what is interesting for me today is gold. Gold, I see here also a move down, and I will put a pending order on gold, guys. I see that the market will move down and then we will have a move up. That's why I will put a pending order right now. I will go for a buy limit on gold. Here we go. Here we go. I will put my buy limit at 1,227.15. This is my buy limit, and my take profit on this position will be at 1,227.95. There we go. This is what we will put. It's a nice take profit. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so these are the two. This is a one pending order. We go back to DAX and Italy 40. Let me see. Oh, we missed a nice entry level at Italy 40. Shall we enter it now again? What do you think, guys? Shall we enter now Italy 40? We are making $500 on. Okay, guys. On Italy 40, I will go. I'm thinking to go now on Italy 40 short, guys. I'm thinking to go short on Italy 40. Here we go. I'm selling now Italy 40. There we go. I just sold Italy 40, guys. Here. And at Italy 40, I will put my take profit. I will put my take profit for Italy 40 at 18,515. Oh, 510. This is my take profit for Italy 40. We are making on DAX, we are making $1,000, guys. $1,000 on DAX. On Italy 40, we are making $300. Just now we opened it and the market moves quite good, guys. We have to see, and we might get a very, very nice result here out of the trading session. Let me see. Looks good, guys. Looks good. Come on. Come on. We are about to get some profits here in. Where's our DAX position? As you know, I decided, no, DAX I will leave. It's such a nice setup of a small. If the market goes higher than my entry levels, you know, guys, I will go for another position. So what I will do, guys, what I will do is I will put another pending order on DAX. You know me, we will put a pending order on DAX with 30. So I will go also again for 50 lots. A pending order, here we go. A sell limit on DAX at 11,152. Yeah, 52. That's my sell limit. Here we go. And I want to put, no, once it gets triggered, I will see. Let me see. I will put the same take profit as this one. It's at 11,115. Here we go. So, looks nice, guys. Looks nice. Let's write them down. Let's write them down. I have a short position on DAX. And I entered this position at 11,140.53, and my take profit is at 11,115. This is my short position on DAX. Then I am short on Italy 40. Short on Italy 40 with I entered at 18,000. At 18,527.3, and my take profit here is at 18,510. There we go. There we go. So these are our two trades. We have also two pending orders, but it will be okay. So until they get triggered, guys, who is with us this morning? Adrian is with us. Anne-Marie. Hello, Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie is one of our very, very Troy. What's toy in English? I don't remember the word. Yes, hello to Sweden, Anne-Marie. And then Fanus is with us. Gabriel, Jeff, Jenna, Julia, Connie. Hello, Connie. Natalie and Oscar, Patrick, and also Rachel is with us. And always Torstein. Nice to have you here, guys. Nice to have you here. For all of our newbies, we have our chat function. If you have any questions, just type them on chat. So let's go now to gold and see also what's happening on gold. Guys, we are very close to hit our buy limit on gold. Our buy limit on gold, as you know, I put a buy limit on gold, and we are very close that it gets triggered. Once it gets triggered, I will put also my take profit accordingly. Let me see. Maybe we can adjust it a bit lower. What you think, Elif? Shall we drag it a bit lower? Maybe I will drag my gold position. Oh, leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it there, and it will need some time to get there. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. Needs a bit more time. So, guys, let's have some tea. That's correct, Kyriagos. Let's have some tea. Earl Grey, please, for me. So, let's see what's going on oil and Brent oil. As you know, we had yesterday this nice move. Guys, I'm ready to sell again Brent oil and oil. Wow, guys, I have to. Guys, I'm selling Brent oil. And when I'm selling Brent oil, oil is not far. So I sold oil and Brent oil, guys. Let's put also some take profits here. I'm looking at Brent oil right now. My take profit on Brent oil is at 62.265. Yep. Yep, that's good. And let's go for oil. Let's see what's going on oil. And on oil, my take profit will be at 53.360. This is also a new trade. $610. I will go for $610 here. So guys, let me write them down as well. We are short on oil. We are short on oil and we entered our oil position at 53.482. And my take profit on oil is at 53.360. So that's the one. And on Brent oil, my position entered at 62.543. And my take profit is at 62.265. Another two positions. Let's go back to gold to see how gold is reacting. As you know, we have a pending order on gold. It's still not there. Our pending order is at 1,227.15. And now it has still the spread to go there. This is what I was explaining you last evening when you joined us. I have here my buy limit. You see my buy limit, and the price is below the buy limit. So technically, this position, as you look at it, should have get triggered, because I said when this price is hit to start buying, but it didn't got triggered because here we are looking at the bid price. On the chart, you will see always the bid price. And come on. Yeah, for gold long position to get triggered, you have to go for the ask price, not for the bid price. You have to go for the ask price because you are buying, you are asking for this price. You are asking for this asset. That's why the ask price is important, and the ask price is always below the bid price. And the ask price is currently at 1,227.46 on gold. That's the way. So now our Italy 40 is not going well. Let's see, I might open another position on Italy 40. There is still some move to go up, and let me see, I will put a take also here. Yes, guys, let's put also here a pending order on Italy 40. Here we go. I put again a sell limit, this time a sell limit, because I believe the price will come up here and then reverse. And why not to get the money out of this move? So my sell limit is at 18,572. Oh no, at 70, because I wanted to have it close to the Bollinger Band. And my take profit will be as my other take profit at the same level, 18,510. Here we go. So I'm expecting the Italy 40 price to go up until here, and then I want again to sell Italy 40. At this level, I want to sell again Italy 40 and make some money. And since this is a sell position, once the price, the candle will come here, our position will get triggered, because with a sales position, what is happening with a sell position, guys? You get the bid price because you are offering something. You are selling, you are offering something on the market. Very easy to remember in that way. Have it in mind. And we are making right now $500 on DAX. We have a take profit on DAX at $1,400, so still some money to go. Our gold pending order is still pending, didn't got triggered. Italy 40 didn't get triggered. We have 3 pending orders. Looking forward to get them. So, Kyriakos, what about your trades, how they move on? By the way, on Gold DAX, we are making right now $700. Maybe soon we will hit some profit over here. So, Kyriakos, what about you? How the market moves with you?
Thank you very much, Eli, for the pass. So basically, guys, the market doesn't move today as well. The pairs are stuck within a narrow trading range, as you can see here, guys. So euro dollar is stuck between this range, between 131.90 and 114.12 for the past 2.5 hours. Now it's trying to go up again. We have short positions on euro dollar, but it seems that the 114 level up to the area of 114.15, it seems that is acting currently as a strong resistance area. We need some time for the trades to develop. Regarding dollar CAD, which is the only pair that I currently don't have an open position, I'm still waiting for the price to break above the upper Bollinger Band and the MA 50 periods in order to initiate short positions. However, this is not yet the case. The interesting pair is dollar yen, guys. We are short and has declined below its MA 200 periods. Also, I like the fact that the MAs are clustering, they are accumulating. Whenever that happens, guys, a violent move occurs just right after that. So based on what I see in front of me right now, based on the existing data that I have in front of me right now, I'm expecting a sharp decline on dollar yen. Have in mind that it needs to stay below MA 200 periods. So in other words, if we see the price staying below MA 200 periods and we see these 3 MAs crossing below MA of 200 periods, that this might occur in the next 1 hour, let's say, then I'm expecting to see a sharp decline on dollar yen. This is also confirmed by the increasing bearish momentum of longer bars below zero on MACD, also by the fact that the signal line is below zero and pointing downwards, RSI is below 50, and the directional movement seems to be really strong, since the ADX indicator is well above 20 and the minus directional movement indicator, the minus DI, is above 20 while the plus DI is below. Now, regarding our dollar CHF long positions, the moving averages have a bearish setup. We have a bearish increasing momentum. However, we see that since yesterday, the pair is trading in a very narrow trading range. So it's from 99.57 down to 99.25. So just 30 pips daily range yesterday, and today is even tighter than 30 pips. We are short, and we are, let me see, we are long, and we are waiting. If we see daily lows, new daily lows, if this level is downward penetrated, this technically means that most probably the pair is getting out of today's trading range, and that's why we will initiate hedged short positions to go with the trend. Now, on pound dollar, we have initiated long positions, but again, you see that today is trading in a very narrow trading range, so just 30 pips for pound dollar. It's a very unusually narrow trading range for the moment, so we are expecting significant movements to occur on the pairs since they need to get out of this range at some time. Euro yen, we see that the pair is struggling to maintain the moving average of 50 periods. If it goes through that, then it needs to find and fight the resistance of the other two short-term MAs that I have on my chart, the MA10 and the middle Bollinger Band. We have short positions on Euro Yen. We will see how it goes and we will act accordingly. On Aussie dollar, we have short positions, a nice bearish setup on the MAs, bearish parabolics. The MACD, for me, it's a bearish momentum, but is not strengthening. RSI indicates bullish signals, so we have a mixture of signals on Aussie dollar. However, I have entered my short positions since yesterday, and I'm keeping them, and we will see how the day will develop. Pound yen, we have entered long positions despite the bearish attitude of the MA's MACD. This is a contrarian trend trade. We have entered long positions. However, in order for us to reverse to short positions, as I said before, I need to see a significant close below today's lows. There it is, my sell stop order close to 144.14. The last position that I have for today is a short position on pound Aussie. You see again that the past 2 hours, the pair is trading within a very narrow trading range of less than 30 pips. For the moment, it seems that our short position actually works. And the MA of 200 periods for the moment is well respected. We have a question from Connie. I think you are referring to Elif, Connie. Correct me if I'm wrong. So Elif, Connie has a question regarding the buy and sell button, regarding the colors.
Let me see. I don't really understand the question. What he says, hello guys, this is Connie. What does the change in color from red to blue and vice versa of sell and buy box on the top left corner indicates? Okay, now I understood. Well, you are referring to the market watch. Let me see here. Connie, first of all, thank you for your question. I guess you are referring to this market watch over here, right? And why they change. So if the price gets bigger, then it's turning green or blue. It depends on your on your setup. Like now it's get higher than the previous one, and when they turn red, Connie, like here at UK 100, it means that the price dropped lower. That's what it means. That's simple as that. Guys, by the way, our DAX position, our pending order on DAX got triggered. Just for you to know, we have now 2 open positions on DAX. So, well, yes, that's the reason behind, Connie. When the price drops, then it turns red. When the price goes up, then it turns blue. That's the reason behind. Hope it is clear for you. If not, just type it again on chat and I will explain it further, but I think it's straightforward. So our DAX position got triggered, so we have now a second position on DAX open, again short. We have 2 positions short on DAX, short DAX again. And our take profit is also here again at 11,115. So let's see, soon we will hit also here some take profits, hopefully. On Italy 40, as you know, we have also a pending order on Italy 40. Here we go. It didn't got triggered yet, but when it gets triggered, yeah, I think on Italy 40 I'll get even a better price when it gets triggered, and it will be nice. On DAX, on our second position, we started already making money. That's good. Let's go to gold. Gold still. You see, because of the spread, my gold position, my buy limit didn't get triggered, and now it's making profit. If I would be now, if it would have gotten triggered, how you say it, however, I would have been now in a serious profit, but however, that's how it is. I would have make right gotten. Thank you, not no, thank you, Nuno. Hello, Nuno, by the way. Hello, welcome. I think you joined a bit later, right? Nuno, all our oil positions of last night, they got triggered, by the way. All of our oil and Brent oil position, they got triggered. We made $8,000 this morning. Ching, 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 ching. So, and DAX, our DAX position, which just got triggered, is making money, $394. Let me see. We have two positions on DAX, and we will get some profits here as well. So, guys, today is Thanksgiving, and because of Thanksgiving, as you know, we will have an early close today on the markets. The US, all our US shares, they will not open, like Apple, Nasdaq, and so on. So we might see later on the European, on the US opening, a bit of a reduced volatility. We will see, and we decide accordingly. We will see, and we will decide accordingly how we trade and what we trade. So today we will really get into our US, European indices. We didn't close a position yet during the live trading position. We have some really promising positions, like the DAX position is really promising. I really like the DAX position. Italy 40 is a really promising position. On gold, I'm pity that we missed this buy limit, that the spread was killing us here and didn't, but okay. Sometimes you just accept what happened, right, guys? You accept what happened. However, leave it there and we will be happy. Then we have also on Italy 40, another pending order that will get triggered, and we will get a nice entry level here as well. So we will have then two positions on Italy 40, when this position will get triggered. No, I will tell you about the positions I have right now. On DAX, I have two positions with the same take profit. On oil, I have a position, and on Brent oil, I have another position which I opened. Let's have a look on those ones as well. We are short, and this is look oil. This is oil. Guys, we are short. The market moved higher, so it's time for us to sell again. Guys, it's time to sell again. Here we go. I just sold again oil. And when I sell oil, I will sell also Brent oil, the little brother. So I have again two positions open on oil and Brent oil. I increased my exposure once again. Here we go. And on Brent oil, my take profit is at 62.265. And on oil, my take profit is at 53.300. Oops, Allah. So my take profit is at 53.360. Oh, nice one. If we get here if our take profit hits here, we are expecting a profit of around $2,500 on one position. Will be nice. Will be nice. Will be nice. Oh, look at gold. We missed so nice. Oh. Sometimes give it to the market, guys. Give it to the market, but we missed this nice. It was just because of 2 pips that we couldn't get into this trade. Guys, you understand what happened over here? You understand that? We have a buy limit. The price went down to the buy limit because of few pips. It didn't got triggered. And then the market moved in the direction we estimated. If the position would have been triggered, by now we would make around $2,500. Okay. Okay, guys. However, it belongs. Yeah, that's true. But gold is inexpensive. No, gold is an expensive asset. Anywhere we go, we get the same spread. And gold is very profitable, but very expensive, as in real life as well, isn't it? So anyway, we will get there. We have 2 positions on Brent oil, 2 positions on oil, 2 positions on DAX, 1 position on Italy 40, and moving on. We will get there. So let's go to Kyriakos to tell us what's going on his side, and then we will hopefully close some positions and be back here. Kyriakos, what's happening over there?
Same situation. Thank you for the pass, Elif. So basically, I'm waiting to get confirmation to enter positions on dollar CAD. Still, I haven't received that confirmation, guys. Let's check what the remaining of the forex pairs are doing. We see that euro dollar is trying to 5 minutes. Is trying to break to the upside, and if we have a significant break above today's highs, then I will reverse to long positions. So euro dollar is looking very bullish actually, and we have a short position on euro dollar. However, it seems that we might reverse to long position. That is only if we see an upward close of today's highs. Moving on to dollar CAD, as I said, I'm waiting either to see a close above the MA of 50 periods or a close below the lower Bollinger Band, and I will decide and see how I will act on it. For the moment, I'm standing aside waiting for the confirmation. Dollar yen has declined below its moving average of 200 periods, but is now recovering a bit, still below the moving average of 200 periods. As I said, if the pair maintains below the moving average of 200 periods and we see a bearish cross of all these MAs below the 200 periods, then I'm expecting a sell-off on dollar yen. However, we need to be patient and see how it will develop. Now, for dollar CHF, we have long positions. However, the moving averages are giving us a bearish setup for the day. Still, the pair is trading within a very narrow trading range of less than 20 pips. It's from 30 to 47, 99.30 to 99.47. So the range of the day is very tight. So we are expecting a sudden move. Okay, it needs to get out of that range. It cannot stay there forever, guys. Kiwi, we haven't received any confirmations yet. Pound dollar, we have entered the long positions. Currently is doing very well. Is recovering nicely. Euro yen, we have short positions. Let me see. But as we can see now, the pair has advanced and is testing now the middle Bollinger Band and the moving average of 10 periods resistance zone. We will see if it will break above it. And if it will break that level, then we might need to reverse to long positions again. On Aussie dollar, we have short positions since yesterday. The pair has declined. Now is recovering a bit, but we have 4 MAs, bearish setup on the MAs protecting our short positions. So let's see what will happen on that as well. Pound yen, we have initiated long positions. Currently we see that the advancement on prices is doing very well, mainly due to the advancing price of pound dollar. So the pair is trying now to get over MA50 and the middle Bollinger Band. However, we still need some distance to cover in order to hit any TPs. Pound Aussie, we have initiated short positions. The pair has nicely declined, but we can see now that slowly is recovering its decline. So, but as I said, in order for me to reverse to long positions, I need the price to reach at least the level of 176.80 to clear out that area. So these are the current positions that I currently have on Forex. So far, we haven't closed any positions. We are patiently waiting for the markets to develop, and I believe that soon enough we will close some positions. The best performing trade for the moment seems to be pound dollar, which is developing nicely, guys. And if we hit the take profit on pound dollar, this will give us $3,500 in our pockets. My eyes are on euro yen and on euro dollar because I also see a nice bullish consolidation happening on euro dollar, and most probably we will reverse to long positions as well on euro dollar. We are short for the moment. The same goes for euro yen, but at a less degree. We see that the price now of euro yen is finding difficulties to break above the middle Bollinger Band. We have short positions on euro yen, but we have the MA here preventing the price from going lower. If we have a penetration of the MA of 200 periods, then we will see a nice decline on euro yen. Otherwise, just a few pips higher than this candle, it means that this candle has been fully recovered, and that's why we will initiate our long positions again on euro yen. Aussie dollar, as I said, decline, now a small advancement on price, but we have the MAs protecting us. The same goes for pound yen, same attitude as pound dollar, but at a less bullish extent. Pound dollar is trading here. You see, pound dollar is making already close to the daily highs, while pound yen is well below the daily highs, is trying to recover. And pound Aussie is still trying to break above the MA of 200 periods, and it will be very interesting to see if it will manage to do that. So for the moment, we are letting the trades develop. We haven't closed any positions yet today, but as I said, my best performer for the moment is pound dollar. We have bought it at a very nice level. The pair is now recovering, and we will see how it will develop. We still need to cover some distance above 128.10 in order for any TPs to get triggered. On the other hand, if we see a penetration below yesterday's bottom, then I will reverse to short. So we haven't closed anything yet, guys. We need to be patient and stay with us in the chat room. And if I have any updates, I will let you know. As I said, my eyes are on euro yen and euro dollar since they look really interesting, and it will be very interesting to see if they manage to break above their today's highs. The same for euro yen, which as you can see now has reached the middle Bollinger Band, but now rejection continues and is declining nicely. I would love to see euro yen breaking the MA of 200 periods since we are short, but we need to be a bit more patient for that. Otherwise, we have our pending orders here, hedged pending orders here for further long positions. Take profit for short position is still a long way down on euro yen at 128.27. So let's see if we will break below the MA of 200 periods on euro yen, or if we will break above current day's highs. If we do that, that will be really great for us. So don't forget, I would like to remind you once again the importance of one-to-one sessions. Okay, you can arrange one-to-one sessions with either myself or with my colleague Elif, always depending on your instrumental trading preferences. And the one-to-one sessions can assist you guys take your trading tactics to the next level. Okay, so we can develop systems, we can optimize your trading system, we can design for you your checklists. This is an example of a checklist. Nuno, did you receive the checklist I have designed for you, Nuno? From your account manager, George? If Nuno is hearing me, just type not yet. Okay, you will get it. I have sent it yesterday. It will be ready. Okay, so it's ready. I have sent it yesterday. You should have it before our tomorrow's one-to-one session. Oscar, what's your question? You said yes. I haven't made a checklist for you yet because you didn't come to a one-to-one session with us yet, but it's a good idea to do that, Oscar. So guys, one-to-one sessions are very important. So that's all I have for the moment. Very narrow trading ranges. Maybe it's because what Elif said, Thanksgiving Day for the United States. And hello, Mary. What about pound dollar? What's your question? Oscar. For pound dollar, let me tell you about it. Pound dollar, we are long. Let me write my long position. Long pound dollar at 1.27786. Stop loss 1.27216. TP 1.28136. Oscar. Is that okay? So for pound dollar, we are long, and you can see that from the buy here. Great. But nothing has ended yet. So we are just waiting for the prices to move, for the pairs to move. As I said, my eyes are on euro yen and on euro dollar. It will be very interesting to see if they will manage to break above their daily highs or if they will crash and break below the MA of 200 periods. We are short on both euro dollar and euro yen. Good morning, Mary. Nice to have you here. So guys, that's all I have for the moment. I'm still waiting for a confirmation to trade dollar CAD. I'm waiting basically for two confirmations, one or the other. Either I will see a close above the MA50 and I will examine the probability of long or short positions, or I need to see a close below the lower Bollinger Band, and then again I will examine the probability of entering long or short positions. So I'm patiently waiting. We have trades on the remaining 8 forex pairs. For those of you who are asking me, let me remind you what the positions are. I'm short Aussie dollar, I'm short euro yen, I'm short euro dollar, I'm short pound Aussie, long pound yen, long pound dollar, long dollar CHF, and short dollar yen. So these are the positions. I have already posted them in the chat room, and you can act accordingly, guys, always at your own discretion. So a very poor morning session here for me, guys. I haven't closed any positions yet, but for those of you who are following us for a few weeks, you will know that the best are yet to come. So that's all I have for the moment. Let's go straight to Elif for the concluding remarks of the trading session. Gabriel, you say you cannot see it. What exactly you cannot see?
I guess he means British pounds USD. He can't see British pounds USD.
Because it will cover the full screen. I have too many positions. That's why I have it on the next screen. That's why, Gabriel. Otherwise, we will not be able to see the chart. You understand? If I put it here, it's too long and we cannot see the chart because I have too many positions. That's why I keep it on on the next screen. Exactly. So if we close some positions in the list goes shorter, I will transfer it to the first screen. Okay, Gabriel? So we see now some volatility actually on pound dollar. So we are observing some volatility, but we still have a lot to cover until we hit our TPs. So pound dollar, if we hit TP, guys, that's $3,500. So let's go to a leaf, and if I have any updates, I will let you know. Thank you.
So, hello guys. Also, we here have almost very little volatility. As you know, guys, we have very little volatility also here at the indice desk. So we have a position open on oil. We have a position open on Brent oil, two positions with the same take profit for both positions. They started now to move in our favor. Italy 40 and DAX, they don't. Italy 40 and DAX, they run away, and we will see. It's okay. It's okay. Especially on DAX, I'm very positive, and I'm even thinking about, let's make it big. I'm even thinking about to increase a bit more my exposure. Let's see how the market will react. Let me see. Now, I will increase it in a short while, not yet, and then we will go again short on DAX and make a bit more profit from this move down, because when I check the 15 minutes chart, guys, when I check the 15 minutes chart, I see that I have still a move up. On the 15 minutes chart, I see a pullback still. And when I see this pullback, I will not enter. And when I go on the half an hour chart, also here I still see a pullback. So I will wait until I get a confirmation from the 15th and the 30 minutes chart for a reverse. And then I go again with my third position short to get some money in. So far we just closed our oil and Brent oil positions in the morning from the positions of yesterday. It's Thanksgiving. We have early closure today, so the market's volatilities are a bit low. We will see how the market will go on, and we will trade later on. Let's see. We will be here and enjoying the market. So we will be here, as Kyriakos already said, we will be here. Oil and Brent oil, they started to move. Nice. Come on. Here on the 5 minutes, I have a drop. 15 minutes needs a bit more time. Yeah. We start to make some money on oil and Brent oil. That's good. And we will get even more. So, guys, looking forward to see you later on. As I said, I don't expect big volatility today throughout the day because of the Thanksgiving, but still there's always something in the market to gain, right, guys? So see you later on. Have a nice day, and we will be here coming on and off throughout the day with our nice trades. So see you in a short while. Bye bye, guys.
Okay, guys, you are monitoring again my screen. As I said, we are getting ready to hit TPs on pound dollar. We are getting ready to hit take profit on pound dollar, and also we are getting ready to hit take profits on pound yen as well. So these two pairs are developing very nice. So guys, pound dollar and pound yen are getting ready to hit TPs. There we go, guys. Pound dollar and pound yen. There we go. We see some nice volatility now on the pounds, guys. So let's see if we will manage and hit our TPs. And if we do that, you are monitoring my screen, I will let you know. Thank you. Okay, guys, just a very nice update. We have just closed our positions on pound dollar and pound yen and pound Aussie, guys. You see the nice climb up on pound yen, and we have increased our daily profits to $5,825. That's very good. So now we are waiting for our positions to further develop, and if I have any updates, I will let you know. So we have closed our positions on pound yen, pound dollar, pound Aussie, totaling today $5,825. Stand by for more, guys. Thank you. Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to our today's live trading room afternoon session here at Trademy.com. How are you today, guys? Are you okay? Welcome with us. This is Kyriakos Harilau talking from the Forex Trading Desk of Trademy, guys. Hello, Nuno, again, and nice to have you all day here. It's very much appreciated. Let's see, guys, who is with us first, and then what we have done for the day. I see that with us is Alicia. I see with us is Arpit. Good afternoon, Arpit. I see Dan. Oh, we have newcomers. Kiran. Welcome, Kiran. Where are you from? Just use the chat room to communicate with us, guys. So good afternoon, Dan. Hello, Fanos. Hello, Gerhard from Canada again. Okay, guys, lots of people from Canada. Welcome, Kiran. It's always a pleasure to welcome new people in our society here, in our live trading room. Patrick has just joined us as well. So good afternoon, Patrick. Hello, Gerhard. Good afternoon. How are you today? Hello, Jenna. Hello, Kylie, Laura, Natalie. Hello, ladies. Good afternoon. Nuno, always with us. Thank you very much. Oscar, always with us. Good afternoon, Oscar. Patrick, hello, Rachel, and good afternoon to Torstein as well, guys. So let's jump straight into the trading action, and let me inform you what we have done for the day, guys. As you can see, for today, we have closed positions on pound dollar, pound yen, and pound Aussie. Currently, we are up $5,825. We have lots of trading action for the moment, but not volatility. So let me quickly update you about the positions that I currently have. So the FX positions are as follows, guys. First position I have since yesterday, guys. It hasn't moved a lot yet, and we will examine it straight away. I have a short position on Aussie dollar at 0.72597, stop loss 0.73167, and take profit 0.72247. So let's see how Aussie dollar is doing, guys. We are monitoring the 15-minute chart. We had a decline, then a rebound. The pair tested the MA of 200 periods, which I will repeat for a lot of times that this is a crucial level for intraday trading purposes. We see here the rejection of the price on the moving average of 200 periods, and the pair has actually now started to decline again. However, we are still far away from our TP, so it might take some time for this position to develop even further. Next one, we are long Euro Yen. We are long Euro Yen. So let me inform you about it. So we are long Euro Yen at 128.914. Stop loss 128.327, and TP 129.247. Now, the same attitude as euro dollar. The pair was in a range, then we had a boom to the upside, and now we can see that the pair slowly declined and is now testing the moving average of 50 periods, which is another important support level for the intraday trading positions, guys. So we will keep an eye on that and we will update you accordingly. Next one, we have long positions on euro dollar. Let me write this trade for you down, guys. So trade number 3, long euro USD at 1.14192, stop loss 1.13622, and take profit 1.14542. Now, euro dollar has exactly the same attitude behavior as euro yen. It has risen suddenly in the morning, now is slowly declining and is trying to test the moving average of 50 periods, which, as I have mentioned before, it acts as a nice intraday support level. We will keep an eye on that and we will update you accordingly. Next one, dollar CHF, and we have long positions on dollar CHF. So let me write you about that straight away. We have long positions on dollar CHF. Our entry level price was 0.99505 with a stop loss at 0.98935 and a TP at 0.99855. So how this pair behaved, we see a classic V reversal bottom, guys, on this pair. The pair was declining the whole day and then from a moment onwards decided to go up. Now, the big obstacle of this trade position is the MA of 200 periods. If we get over that, then I believe that we can easily move further up towards the parity level and hit our TPs. So we are closely monitoring also dollar CHF and we will update you accordingly. And the last position I have triggered for today is a short position on dollar yen at 112.973, stop loss 113.505, and TP 112.585. Now, dollar yen is a very interesting pair. First of all, we have the 113 psychological level. Okay, so this level here is a round number. Let me show you what I mean. The 113 number is a psychological level, and we also have all the moving averages clustering in a very strict and narrow area of no more than 5 pips. And you see actually that the pair is trading within that narrow area for the majority of today's time, a very narrow trading range on dollar yen. In order for me to reverse to long positions, I need to see a significant move to the upside. Otherwise, I'm keeping my short positions for the moment. Now, I'm still waiting to get confirmation signals to enter any long or short positions on dollar CAD. On pound dollar, we saw a sudden upside movement which initiated our TPs on pound dollar, pound Aussie, and pound yen upon the fact that Theresa May has agreed on Irish border policy with Juncker, and he will meet him again on Saturday. And upon this announcement, we observed we were long on the pounds, we were long pound dollar, we were long pound yen, we were long pound Aussie. You see that all the pounds had exactly the same behavior. It developed very nicely for us, and we closed our trades with TP. Now, dollar CHF, as I said, we are approaching, maybe we will approach the parity level. The Kiwi is nothing interesting to say about. Now, the interesting pairs for me are euro dollar and euro yen, guys. So we would like to see these daily highs to be penetrated to the upside so that our long positions get in the money and make us significant profits. On the other hand, we have also the moving average of 200 periods close to today's lows acting as a support tool. So we will not be reversing any positions yet on euro yen, on euro dollar. In order to reverse, I need to see a close below the MA of 200 periods. For both euro yen and euro dollar, you can observe similar price patterns on both forex pairs. As I said, dollar CAD is the only pair that I haven't traded for today. And the main reason is because I haven't received yet the setup I want to push the button and initiate any long or short positions. So for dollar CAD, we have two scenarios to initiate long or short positions, either a close above the upper Bollinger Band and the MA50, or a close below the lower Bollinger Band. If any of these happen during our session, then you will see me writing in the chat room any long or short positions on dollar CAD together with TPs and stop losses. Now, regarding news announcements, don't forget that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com, guys. We have a speech coming from Theresa May at 3 p.m. UTC time. That's close to the end of the afternoon session in approximately 50 minutes. And it will be very interesting to see how her speech will affect, or if it affects, any volatility in the forex market. Now, regarding tomorrow, guys, we have good news from the morning, 7 o'clock a.m. before our morning session. We have GDP for the Germany. We have Market PMI for France. Later, 8:30, we have Market PMI composite for Germany, and we have European market manufacturing and market services coming out at 9 o'clock a.m. just at the beginning of our tomorrow's morning trading session. Later on, the action continues with a lot of important Canadian announcements, Canadian dollar. We have retail sales, we have CPIs, we have Bank of Canada CPI, and a lot of other announcements, followed later by US dollar announcements, market services PMI, and market PMI composite. These are out at 2:45 p.m. UTC time. So I'm waiting for Teresa's speech, actually. I'm looking forward for tomorrow to see the impact of the news. But as we said, today is today, and we need to concentrate on the facts that we have in front of us. So, for the moment, I have listed down the 5 forex pairs that I'm currently trading. We have closed positions on other 4 pairs. So we have closed on the Kiwi, we have closed on pound yen, we have closed on pound dollar, we have closed also on pound Aussie. Currently, I'm up $5,825. And we have a question. Is the Ripple going up over the weekend? Oscar, I'm not the right person to ask about cryptocurrencies. I personally don't deal with them, and I personally don't care, because I like to specialize only on one thing, Oscar, Forex. Okay, so every trader has its specialization sectors. I'm not trading cryptos. I haven't traded cryptos at all, never in my life. I'm just watching the news. I just read yesterday that Bitcoin fell below $4,500, but it's still a very new market, and the data that we have that can be used for analysis is very little. After 3-4 years, when the market actually matures, then I will be able to tell you more about it. We have so many cryptos, Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Every week we have a new currency pair. So the answer is I'm not aware of Ripple. I know it, but I don't even know what the price is. So you're asking definitely the wrong person this question. But why do you ask this? Have you read anything in the news about Ripple? If you have, send us the link so that we get informed as well about this. Thank you very much for asking, though. It's very much appreciated. So, guys, another thing that I would like to stress out is the importance of one-to-one sessions. Excellent. All right. So, importance of one-to-one sessions, guys. We can have together, either with me or with my colleague Elif, one-to-one sessions. What is the purpose of the one-to-one sessions? Is to design your checklists. It's very important to have a checklist. All professional traders have checklists, a visual checklist, so that you can have a clear observation and graphical presentation and numerical calculation of whenever you push the button, what are your probabilities of getting it correct or wrong. We can also advise you on how to improve your strategies. If you don't have strategies, we can have one-to-one sessions together, and based on a few questions, we can identify what type of trader you are. Oscar, okay, Kiran says best sites to get knowledge on Forex. Best sites to get knowledge on Forex is Trademy.com. Okay, they have very good educational training programs and one-to-one sessions. Trademy.com is the theoretical part of things. One-to-one sessions with us guys, Kiran, is how to get things in practice work for you. So it's two different things. You cannot become a trader simply by reading 100 books. Unless you have people with experience and years of experience in the market to be above you, mentor you, control you, put you in the right path, it's very difficult to make it, Kiran. So that's why we are here, me and Elif. Okay? Oscar is asking, I would like to get this checklist. Well, my answer, Oscar, the easiest thing to do is to send it to your account manager by email and get it. But I'm telling you from now, you will not know definitely what's going on with that checklist. And the main reason is because maybe this checklist works for me, but it doesn't work for you because you are a different style of trader. So what I suggest, if you would like to have your own personal checklist, come to a one-to-one session with us. Okay, you can arrange that through your personal account manager. First of all, I want to see what type of trader you are, which indicators you know, because what's the point of putting these indicators in the checklist if you don't know how to interpret them? This will lead into incorrect checklist filling the checklist incorrectly and arriving in the wrong conclusion. So the best thing to do, Oscar, is to have a highly customized checklist based on your needs. So if you would like to arrange a one-to-one session with us, contact your account manager. He will get in touch with us and we can arrange a one-to-one session. So Kiran and Oscar, have I answered your questions, guys? Arpit, the only way to create a checklist is through your mentors, me and Elif. So if you would like to have a one-to-one session in order to create your checklist, by all means, and you will remember me afterwards, do it, guys. Come to one-to-one sessions. They are very important. They are very important. So that's all we have to say for the one-to-one sessions. I hope you all got the idea and the importance of one-to-one sessions. It's not just trading here and having chat. The important is for you to start making money out of trading, okay? All of you have made investments in education. You have enrolled to your training programs, but what to do with education if you cannot make money out of it, all right? Feda says no voice. Guys, what about the rest of you? Can you hear me clearly? Okay, Feda, you say no vice actually. What do you mean by no vice? I think you forgot a letter there. It happens, don't worry. So Feda, can you hear us? All right. Okay, everybody can. So I believe everybody can. So I believe Feda is a personal issue. Maybe if you disconnect and connect again, maybe you solve this. Okay. So thank you, Torstein, for your response. Very much appreciated. And thank you, Oscar. So guys, did you all understand the importance of one-to-one sessions? Basically, to cut things short, one-to-one sessions are to improve your trading skills and transforming the educational to money, guys. Okay, you cannot be a trader just by reading 100 books. Believe me, you cannot. You need to have mentors with experience to guide you through the correct way to make money. So, if anyone is facing technical issues with the trading room, contact your account managers, guys. I'm referring to Feda. Let me confirm. Feda, can you now hear me? So, I think it's a. Let me write it down because he cannot hear me.
Yes, I wanted to tell also something in addition to this, what Kyriakos saying.
Good, Feta. Thank you.
Sorry, Kyriakos, that I
No
interrupted
problem.
while
No
you
problem.
were writing. I just wanted to add to, in addition to this, what Kyriakos is saying, I totally agree. And something very important is knowledge is a treasure. And this treasure you will get by reading on Trademy.com all the courses, taking part to the courses, making the quizzes, and get all the theoretical knowledge. But practice is the key to this treasure. This is very important, and a lot of people just forget that. It's like driving a car. You can read all the rules on them about how to drive a car and how to behave on the street, but if you don't sit behind the if you don't sit and drive a car, you will never know how to apply and how to do it. So that's the important thing here also on trading. It's important that you know what's the background and the theory behind, but more important, or at least more important, I don't want to say, but practice is also extremely important, and you see that also here. So, and we have one of those days today. It's yeah, it's Thanksgiving. And I can't say thank you for giving us some profits. We didn't close even one single trade, guys. I never had that until now here at Trademy. I didn't close even one trade. Nothing so far, nothing. And it's really, really disappointing me. I will tell you which positions I have. I have 2 positions on DAX. I have 1 Italy 40 position and 2 position on Brent oil, 2 position on oil. And until now, nothing closed, guys. Nothing closed. I was a bit checking gold if I see a nice entry level here at gold. As I was expecting a bit movement on gold, but even gold didn't move even $1. Guys, gold didn't move even $1 since the entire morning. Since the entire morning, it didn't even move $1. And this is really, as Kyriakos says, that's loud without the Americans. I don't know. Like Thanksgiving is a really, really big event. You know that. In Canada, I don't know. Do you have in Canada also Thanksgiving? You celebrate Thanksgiving in Canada as well, or you don't? However, now the markets are same as that. I have also here some losing positions, but these are peanuts, guys. These are peanuts in each case. Then you have Thanksgiving. Okay, how is the mood today over there? Everybody goes to the family to have a when are you celebrating Thanksgiving? Okay, I didn't know that it's on a different time, the Thanksgiving of Canada. Let me think. Now that I remember now, I remember something. However, let's have a look on our indices since this morning. Look at Italy 40. Since the time we entered, we have 2 positions open. We have 1 position open on Italy 40. No movement. No really movement. Then DAX. We have 2 positions. It was so promising. This drop was so promising, and it got stuck. Look at this. This is It's just stacked. Then oil and Brent oil. Like if it would go higher October 8th, okay, I see, nice. So you had it already. Like on if the market would move strongly against me, I would have closed the position and opened for new ones, or I would open a hedged position. But it didn't even reach the daily high or the daily low. You know, it's in between. It's very ranging and not really profiting and not really losing. The losses which I have right now, they are peanuts because they are very, very low move down. Okay, on my screen, I'm using Feda is asking me which indicator I'm using right now. I'm using right now the Bollinger Bands, the SAR, and I'm using the stochastic oscillator. These are the three indicators I'm using, and today it's really moving slowly. And now that yes, also the Bollinger Bands, I mentioned them or not? I think I did. SAR, stochastic oscillator, SAR, and Bollinger Bands. These are the three indicators that I'm using, and indicators, guys, are like kind of spices when you are cooking. Guys, are you cooking? Indicators are like spices when you are cooking. Parabolic SAR. It's called parabolic SAR. Feda is asking me what was the second one. I'm using Bollinger Band, parabolic SAR, and the stochastic oscillator. These are the three that I'm using. And when we talk about indicators, I just wanted to tell you guys it's important. It's like you would cook. When you are cooking, guys, you use also several spices like pepper, rosemary, correct, Nuno. Parabolic SAR currently I'm using to see, although I have to say with the parabolic SAR, it's indicating the reversals quite late. It's already when the trend is there. It's parabolic SAR. Feda is asking me if I'm from Iran. No, I'm not from Iran. Feda, I'm not from Iran. I know my name is Arabic, but I'm not from. I don't know what she is from. What is this, Kyriakos? No, however, yes. It is when we are talking about indicators, we have to imagine them like spices when you are cooking, because you have pepper, you have rosemary, you have salt, but you can use them in different ways for different dishes. You just need to know it's you have to know what the taste of this indicator or spice is and how you can use it to give a special flavor to your dish. And this is the same here on the indicators as well. You can use the stochastic oscillators in really different in really different strategies. For me, the stochastic oscillator is the best strategy for reversals. That's why I'm using them for reversals. No, Feda, I'm not Iranian. I have an accent. It's a German accent. I'm from Germany. So Kiran is asking now if we have any good entry level right now. Kiran, I would say right now, let me see. As you know, I have 2 trades on oil and 2 trades on Brent oil open. And talking about Brent oil and about stochastic oscillator. When I'm watching right now my stochastic oscillator on the 1-hour chart of Brent oil, I'm very close to go again short on Brent oil. It's a good level to short, but we will not put Let's go directly to Kyriakos. Yeah, let's go to Kyriakos. He has a Black Friday offer. Kyriakos, we are with you.
Okay, guys, breaking news. Black Friday offers from Trademy.com. That's a great opportunity for you guys to upgrade your existing training programs. Let me write them down, guys. For the Pro Trader program, Trademy is offering for only tomorrow, Black Friday. If you upgrade your program to the Pro Trader program, Trademy is offering a discount of 15%. 15% discount, guys, to upgrade to the Pro Trader program. Moreover, we have Expert Trader program. If you upgrade by tomorrow, Friday, this is a one-day deal. Expert Trader program, guys. Trademy offers an amazing discount of 20%, guys. 20%. Amazing, amazing. I just got these offers now, guys. So Black Friday offers. If you upgrade to the Pro Trader program, Trademy is offering you a discount of 15%. If you upgrade to the Expert Trader program, Trademy offers you a discount to 20%. And now comes the best deal from all, guys. If you upgrade now to the Star Trader course, Trademy is offering you, do you know how much discount, guys? Amazing. I wish I had this opportunity, guys. Amazing, amazing. They are offering you 25%. There you go. 25%. That's quarter of the price discount if you upgrade tomorrow your programs to a Star Trader course. So if you upgrade to Pro Trader, discount 15%. If you upgrade to Expert Trader program, discount 20%, guys. And if you upgrade to the Stars, the very advanced course that Trademy offers, 25% discount, guys, just for tomorrow, Black Friday, guys. What do you think of these deals, guys? Let me hear your opinion. What do you think about them? 25% discount on the Star Trader course, 20% on the Expert Trader course, 15% on the Professional Trader program. Guys, this is a unique opportunity. My advice, take advantage of it while you can. So Black Friday deals from Trademy.com. Let me revise them one more time. Trademy is offering just for tomorrow, until tomorrow midnight. The offer ends. 50% discount on the Professional Trader program, 20% discount on the Expert Trader program, and an amazing 25% discount on the Star Trader course. Come on, guys. To get the material of the Star Trader course costs thousands of dollars. So get advantage of this opportunity. So these are the Black Friday deals. We will revise them again later. Let's go straight into the trading action. So 15% discount for the Pro Trader program, 20% discount. Exactly, Alan. We love Black Fridays. Also, my wife, I don't know, tomorrow she will love me a lot. I don't know why. My card will cry tomorrow, guys. Believe me. I wish we have them. So far, we have $5,850. But as Elif said, without the Americas, the markets are like a dead man's line. We had nice volatility on the pounds. We hit our TPs. We haven't observed that on the other pairs. Now euro dollar is trying to do something. Let's check also euro yen is trying to recover. If we have a break above today's highs, then we will make some money. So guys, these are the offers. Take advantage of them, guys. For those of you who have just joined us, let me repeat them. The just until tomorrow midnight Black Friday deals from Trademy.com. Pro Trader program. If you upgrade to a professional trader program, you get a discount of 15%. If you upgrade to the expert trader program, you get a discount of 20%. And if you upgrade to the stars with the star trader course, very advanced course, you get a discount of 25%. This offer is valid until tomorrow midnight. Black Friday deals, always by Trademy.com. Not probably, the best trading academy, guys. The best trading academy. Very nice educational material. So that's all we have for now. I'm closely monitoring all the positions. Let me go around the pairs and check what they are doing. On euro dollar, we have a long position here. For the moment, it's doing okay. It started to recover. It seems that most probably the moving average of 50 periods is for the moment respected well by the market. And we see a nice bounce up. Dollar CAD, I'm still waiting. So I'm still waiting for the signal to get the confirmation for long or short positions. Dollar yen, we have short positions, is doing relatively okay. We have a nice clustering of the MAs here, guys. Look at that. So a big movement is expected. Dollar CHF, we have long positions, but now the pair is declining a bit. No worries about it. New Zealand, we close with profit. Pound dollar, we close with profit. Euro yen, we have long positions. The pair, you see, it has respected well the sorry about that. It has respected very well the moving average of 50 periods. Now it's trying to break also the resistance area of the middle Bollinger Band and the MA10. And if we see a close above today's highs, then we will enjoy some nice profits. Aussie dollar, we have short positions. You see, it's stuck there below the MA of 200 periods. And this increases our probabilities to get this position correct. So guys, Black Friday deals. I'm aware of the high demand that exists on Black Friday Trademy's deals. So guys, the offer starts from now. The offer starts from now for the Black Friday deals of Trademy.com. Let me just revise them for those of you who have just joined us. Black Friday deals, they are now, as we talk, they are valid from now. So because we have very high demand, as I have just been informed, very high demand, limited offers, number of offers. So hurry up, guys. We have a discount of 15% on the professional trader program. We are offering a 25% discount on the Start Trader course, and we are offering also 20% discount on the Expert Trader course. These offers are valid from now, as we talk, now until tomorrow midnight. Black Friday deals by Trademy.com. We will repeat them again in a short while. So guys, hurry up. It's a high demand, limited packages, limited programs, high demand. Guys, proceed and upgrade your training programs. This is a huge opportunity that Trademy is offering you only for Black Friday. The offer has started, I repeat, now, and it is valid until tomorrow midnight. So going around the pairs, euro dollar, we can see that it has tested the MA50 and is now recovering nicely to the upside. We don't want to see the euro dollar again breaking the 114. Let's get over this 114, guys. For a number of days now, euro dollar is troubling me around 114 price level, and now from the daily chart it seems that we are getting ready for the further upside move on euro dollar. However, we need to see that happening first on the 15-minute chart, and if we see that, then we will make some nice money. Dollar CAD, as I said, I'm still waiting for confirmation on my checklist confirmation to get any, to initiate any long or short positions on dollar CAD. Don't see the movement I like. Dollar yen now is slowly giving up the MA of 200 periods, and we are short. So in combination with the 113 psychological resistance level round number, I believe we have good chances to initiate our short positions further, to decline further and hit our TPs. However, the TPs are still far away from our entry levels, guys, so we need some time for this. Dollar CHF, we have entered long positions, but it seems that the 99.50 is acting currently as a strong resistance level for dollar CHF, the only resistance level before parity, so we will need to keep an eye on it. Euro yen, as I said, has respected the MA50. Now it's approaching the short-term resistance area of middle Bollinger Band and MA10. We don't want to see the euro yen going down again. It has already troubled us a lot for the past 3 days. We have long positions. Let's see if we will break the daily highs. Our take profit is not far away from the current daily highs. It's here, and if we hit that, we will make some nice money. Moving on, Aussie dollar, we have short, is declining nicely, but still, as I said before, we are away from our TPs. Very narrow daily range for the Aussie dollar. Just for you to imagine, the high of the day is at 72.66 and the low of the day is at 72.32. So we are talking about just a bit more than 30 pips daily range. Mainly this is caused because the Americans are closed due to the Thanksgiving Day. So very narrow daily range trading ranges today, but we will see how the trades are developed and we will act accordingly, guys. So this is the update for me, guys. I don't have anything else to update you today. Is there anything you would like to discuss with me regarding the Black Friday deals or regarding the tools that I have on my screen or anything at all? Use the chat room and I will be more than glad to answer any questions you might have on that. So, Elif, do we have any movement on the indices or still nothing moves?
Unfortunately, nothing moves. Like, it's very small movements, but as I said, they are peanuts. They are peanuts. I mean, this morning we made $8,000 before the session started on trades which we opened yesterday night, but today it's crazy. I mean, if we take the dollar index as an example, there is nothing. But if we take, for example, gold, there is very less movement. There's very less movement. But you know what, guys? The important thing here is if today and tomorrow is less movement, on Monday, it will be the hell. It will be really moving on. And there you really need a good package. So this Black Friday offer comes on top on the perfect time because now everything is low. On Monday will be crazy on the markets. So you will have the whole weekend time to get the whole package of knowledge. You can get all the knowledge, and on Monday when there is really volatile moves on the market, you can all apply this knowledge. So it's a very important and unique offer. You should definitely use it. Once again, as Kyriakos already said, when you go to the Pro Trader, you will get a 15% of discount. With the Expert, you get 20% discount, and on the Star course, you will get 25% discount. Come on, guys, 25%. Imagine if you would say to your wife, no, I will not make this joke. It's against my gender beliefs. I will not make it. But take it from there. With this 25% discount you will get from all these packages, you are able to make some nice extra presents, right, guys? However, we need some money. I want some money. Let's see what is going on USA 100. Also here, look, guys, this is the USA 100 1-hour chart. USA 100 1 hour, and there is very less movement. Very less movement. USA 30. Also today, as you know, I think I saw it before on chat. I think Feda was asking me if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. It was Feda. If the markets are open today, basically, yes, the indices, gold, oil, Brent oil, silver are open, but they will close early. They will close by 5:55 GMT time. But the all our shares, US shares, they are not open. That's why I didn't trade also the US opening. You know, normally I'm trading like crazy at this time of the day, the US opening. Today I didn't trade it, but what I will do, guys, because I don't like the movement as it is right now, no movement, but what I will do is I will come live again at 4:30 this afternoon, 4:30 GMT time this afternoon, to see what happened in the markets. What happened in the markets, to trade at 4:30 in the afternoon, to have an idea of the markets, to see how they close, just to get an idea, you know, nothing big, nothing to see if we close our position, if we keep them, how the market will, what we expect from the markets, you know, to just get to it. So great. Once again, I will write you guys also our social media details, guys. Social media, as you know, it's very important that you follow us also on social media, where we inform you about all our upcoming events. Here we go. You can find us on Facebook when you look for Trademy Trading Education. You can find us on Twitter by Trademy Trading Academy or at Trademy A. And also our YouTube channel, where you can find all our videos and watch them later on. It's at Trademy Trading Academy. Nice one. So let's have a right. I will write also the trades I have right now open, which I opened in our early morning session, and we didn't close even one. It's so embarrassing, really. This never happened to me until now. Guys, you are with us for a while now. We have some newbies, but you know, this never happened to me. That I didn't close even one position never happened to me. We closed some positions in the morning, but they were initiated already the day before. So for today, we didn't close even one, and I don't like that. But as I said, we will have another one session at 4:30 GMT time. In approximately 1.5 hours from now, we will have another one session to see how the trades move on and what is happening. So let's go. Our trades so far, I have 2 trades on Brent oil, and I opened them on different prices, but my take profit, and I'm short, and my take profit on both positions are at 62.265. Then I have two positions on oil open, also short. I entered also here with different entry levels, but my take profit is for both the same. It's at 53.360, and it's just the spread which we are a bit more than the spread that we didn't pay off yet, and that's why we have the loss over here, but it's really peanuts. Go for the next one. 2 Brent oil. Let's have some tea. You know, I drink Earl Grey. It's autumn and it's time for me to have Earl Grey tea, guys. You know that. I enjoy Earl Grey tea with a bit of lemon. So back to this, and then I have DAX position and yeah, Kyriakos, that's why you grow fat. Did you have today already your protein bar? DAX, I have also 2 positions short on DAX. I had good. I know your wife is telling me as well that I have to push you to eat these protein bars. 2 short DAX positions. Yeah, vodka is also not bad. Oscar, it's also not bad. I'm from Germany, but beer I don't drink. So 2 short positions on DAX, the German stock index. 2 short positions on DAX. I entered at different prices, but my take profit is at 11,115. And I have also 1 short Italy 40 position. Italy 40 position, and I entered that one at 18,527.3, and my take profit is at 18,510. Here I see a bit movement on Italy 40, but it's against me. And this happened now in the last half an hour that it started to move so strong against me. But it reached, you see, it reached the day's high. And I see on Italy 40 a reversal also here on my stochastic oscillator. And soon Italy 40 will be closed. Soon Italy 40 will close. So when Italy 40 closes, before in the next afternoon, when the next session, in the afternoon session, we will see a bit move over here as well. So I'm not worried about Italy 40, but in the afternoon session, we will see what we will do. So let's go to gold as well, what we will do at gold. No. Look at gold. It's like since this morning, gold is trading between 1,217 and 1,228. Like not even $1 move. And on normal days, let's go to normal days, you see gold getting ready and traded in sometimes $4 per hour. It was sometimes moving $4 per hour. So you can see only on the movement on gold how slow we are today with our moves. But however, we will get there. We will get there. You remember also yesterday on oil we had really difficulties, and although we had these difficulties, we managed to close our positions today. However, guys, I just want to remind you once again, Black Friday. The course of this low volatility is Thanksgiving, and what comes after Thanksgiving? Black Friday. And we have also Black Friday offers just for you guys. We have 15% discount for the pro trader. We have 20% discount for the expert trader, and we have 25% discount for the Star Trader program and course. So just use this unique opportunity to trade and upgrade your program and get the best out of it. It's very important because on Monday I'm expecting a really big move on the markets, and maybe we will manage to make some money as 2 days before when we closed $57,000 here live on Trademy.com. So once again, today at 4:30 GMT time, I will be live here to check these my trades which are open, they're running and causing me some losses. I will be here and checking and reacting on them. Maybe I will close some of them with a loss. You never know, because sometimes it's also okay to accept the loss. It's like in a relationship. I have told you many times, if you see that the relationship doesn't go on, you just close it and start something new, right? And it's also with the trading like that. If you see it goes all the time against you and it makes you unhappy and you can't afford to keep this position anymore, you close it and you open yourself and your margin and your budget for a new position. Easy as that. Trading is nothing else than real life, guys. There is so much you can learn from trading, which you apply on real life, and from real life, so much that you can apply on trading. Your girlfriend she's not letting you to trade, or she doesn't let you to to split and take a new opportunity. Well, if she doesn't let you, what shall I say, Nuno? Sometimes maybe she will make a reversal. She will make a reversal, maybe, Nuno. Maybe she will make a reversal and she will change her mind and change her habits. Kyriakos, come on. Women are in charge. That's the motto of today. Women are in charge. That's correct. And we rule the world. We run the world, actually. But you guys, you don't know about it. However, let's go now for the last words to Kyriakos. But guys, don't forget at 4:30 GMT time, I will be back here. 4:30 GMT time here again, and we will have a conclusion to see what we will do with these trades, if we will dump them or not. And I see that also Oscar is calling his girlfriend my government. It's good. I hope she's not tweeting like some other governments around. However, let's go to Kyriakos and he will give the conclusion, and I will see you. Good, Oscar. Good. You choose a good government.
So guys,
let's go to Kyriakos.
Just for concluding remarks, what we have done for the day, guys, we have just closed pound trades today and one small trade on the Kiwi. A very poor day in inverted commas. Simply, markets do not move, especially the way we like them. We don't observe the volatility that we would like to have. We still have positions, and we will see what will happen with them. Follow us on Twitter. We are always updating Twitter. So don't forget that in approximately less than 30 minutes from now, with 4:30 GMT, guys, actually, at 4:30 GMT, and correct me if I'm wrong, Elif, that's approximately 1.5 hours from now, 4:30 GMT. Elif will have a
Correct.
Elif will have a great, thank you, Elif. We'll have another great session with you guys. So we leave it as it is now. Thank you very much for being with us. I will see you again tomorrow at 9 a.m. UTC time. Just a final reminder of the Black Friday deals. They are already in place, guys. So from today and until tomorrow midnight, we are offering the Pro Trader course at a discount of 15%. Trademy offers this very good opportunities. If you upgrade your program to a professional trader course, you get a 15% discount. If you upgrade your training program to the expert trader course, you get 20% discount. And if you upgrade to the start trader course, you get a 25% discount. That's a quarter of the total price off. Black Friday deals by Trademy.com, guys. Thank you very much for being with us. We will see you. I will see you tomorrow, and have a nice night. And don't forget that at 4:30 GMT, you will have another great session with Elif. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Thank you for being with us. You are very welcome. Thank you.